Aloha everyone, my name is Kaumaka Onalanilalo, but for short Maka. I am a student and also a student government secretary for Leeward Community College, and today I'll be showing you how to make natural lip balm with 3 ingredients, and those are honey, coconut oil, and shea butter. And also make sure that you have a tablespoon and a microwave safe bowl, and also make sure that you have like a small container, but if you don't have, you can probably just use the same container that you use for the ingredients. The purpose of creating your own natural lip balm is that 1, you can save money for making your own lip balm. 2, you know what ingredients are going into it. You can control the consistency that you like. It can easily be prepped, as you know in the previous video. In all, it's better to create your own natural lip balm so that you know what is going into your lip balm, and it's also good for your lips benefit. 1 tablespoon of shea butter, put it in your container, microwave safe container, and then get your coconut oil, and that will also be 1 tablespoon. And then microwave this up till they're melted together. I would say probably like about a minute, but if your microwave has like a higher voltage, probably like 30 seconds then, but for now, a minute. And also keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't like smell burny. Once your timer for the microwave is done, mix it all together in case there is some residue from the shea butter, and then just mix it all up. And then we would wait 2 minutes for it to cool down, and then that's when we would add our final ingredient. Once your coconut oil and shea butter have cooled down for 2 minutes, then you have your honey. You add your honey and also use 1 tablespoon as well. You mix your honey to the best of your ability. Mix it all up. Let your coconut oil, shea butter, and honey. You can put it in the refrigerator for overnight, or if you want, you can put it in your freezer for probably like a minute. And then once it has passed some time, take your lip balm from the refrigerator, and then if you want to, you can mix it all up. There you have it, your very own natural lip balm.